That's good to hear, man. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was bad, dude. Did you see that?
You trying to beat me?
I was trying to jump off that root there. I pretty damn near lost my ability to have kids just now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I can just lay down in the water right now.
Yeah, I probably could too, man. This is kind of a cool spot right here.
I like it, yeah.
Almost.
Yeah, I think I can be a pansy with Bert this one time. I really want to get a dirt bike.
That'd be cool. Have you had one before?
No, but I've just always wanted one. And I mean, it's definitely safer than a motorcycle.
Ooh. Yeah. Everything on my bike is crooked right now. Like my seat's crooked, my wheel is like, it's like pointing out to the right a little bit.
This trail will kick your ass, man, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
We're in the home stretch. We're going to have to carry the rest of them when we get to that creek though.
Oh yeah.
About 8 miles away probably. Just get a little breeze.
That feels great.
They also have a like a what's the name of it? It's like a club salad, but it doesn't have bacon in it.
Pretty good.
Yeah, it's got like ham, turkey, egg, and it's like if you get that one and they're ranch dressing.
Do we cross right here?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Oh shit. He said it's got a.
You can cross it there too, I believe. Might want to wait. Might want to try it over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go on those rocks.
But yeah, the ranch dressing is like 100 calories. That's the funny thing about restaurants with these salad dressings.
That's where they get you.
Sometimes the vinaigrette's 300 calories.
Oh,
Sometimes
damn.
it's 50. Sometimes the ranch is the highest one. Usually it's the blue cheese ranch.
I don't want to launch this. Yeah, there you go.
But like